staring at me like, I hate this. What the fuck? Why are you looking at me like? But now when you see it coming together, the look's just gonna be crazy.
Brand new week, guys, here at Premium OC. My name is Adrian, your host, along with Brandon and Daniel, but they're not here right now. Standing right behind me is our beautiful M3 CS. It just got fully protected in VOIR PPF. If that's something you guys haven't heard of, do some research, find out about the brand. It's probably the most talked about PPF brand in the industry right now, and we are the preferred shop for installations. PPF, man, you need it to protect the vehicle. This car is fully protected in VOIR PPF, as well as the quarter panels. All this, believe it or not, is actually carbon fiber. It's protected in gloss PPF, but it's a carbon fiber front bumper, hood, fenders, and believe it or not, the doors as well.
I've been living fast, feeling really bad. Time really moves fast. Hurry up and get your back. I wear the R, not a fat. I know every nigga's getting mad.
Fireworks. Now I'm about to fucking trip you out, fool. You're gonna see the headlight beam right now,
Watch his ankle.
Watch. Right there.
Oh, yeah, look at him.
See that? Look how the headlights beaming. You saw how the headlights beaming?
Are they even on?
Damn, I fucking hit it with a joystick too, dog. Look, I did a little joystick action, like slowly. Look.
I only look at you're playing a video game. I'm trying to wrap a car. Like, our jobs are not the same.
Fluent. All right, now let's just peel the fucking. You're crashing it. It's so self-healing. Moving on to the shop, guys. Like I said, it's a really busy week. We got a Raptor R here, fully getting protected in VOIR Stealth PPF, Spectre film. So originally, the paint on this was already a fantastic color, but it only gets better once you apply the stealth finish over it. So this is gonna give you the best of both worlds. You get the protection, and you also get the look. I mean, if you PPF your car in gloss, it's gonna look exactly the same, but you do get the protection, to say the least. But stealth is badass.
What happened now? My daddy happy. Mama called me up, that money coming and she let me out and made it now. I done found like meaning now. All them days are hard to break. Her heart out in pieces.
Oh shit, the new wheels are on, dude. Look, Boston wheels on the Ford Raptor R. A nice bronze to just complement this like mocha brown / green paint. And it's just pretty nuts. It's Client's gonna be absolutely happy about this vehicle. It's actually picking up tomorrow, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and shoot our cinematics. You'll see that on Instagram. Make sure to follow us on Instagram if you don't already. But man, we're doing everything on this truck. PPF, wheels, we went ahead and did the window tint. And I believe we did one more service on this car. I just can't think of what it was. But for the most part, full transformation as usual. But yeah, let's get on with the week.
$100 million, that ain't shit. Pretty shit, I got them blocking lips. 60 million hunters like I'm Nips. Me and white boys talking billies. 9 Trey, bro, to them some billies. Pretty shit, I got
kind of tucked away in the corner for some reason, but that's actually getting Rift springs. Probably one of the most popular cars we do here. Inquiring always for wheels and springs suspension. Usually people like to go with Novatec, and now we're working with, I just said the name of it. Rift, there you go. Rift to do this spring installation. It's gonna get the same outcome, but yeah, AL13 wheels, SF90, Rift springs, fucking badass whip. An M2 that is getting colored PPF. So already a dope car in this really nice charcoal gray gloss material or gloss paint, but we're opting in for this like almost like a blueberry PPF right here. And it's super high gloss, super hydrophobic, easy to install. Well, actually not easy to install. What do you think, Zach? Is this easy to install? For him, it's the easiest thing in the world, as well as Johnny.
How are you gonna afford those birthday presents?
Exactly.
Huh.
Spent fucking $200 yesterday, bro.
Well, you know, maybe if you weren't fucking up our peanuts, we would be getting paid.
Fuck this penis up.
Hey, just staring at me like, I hate this. What the fuck? Why are you looking at me like that?
He's projecting.
I know. I don't hate you, though. I don't hate you, Zach. I love you, bro. You make me a lot of fucking money. Booty's so good, you eat it like groceries.
I'll never forget that time, bro, when I'm trying to jump the McLaren and it's like all you guys are.
I know, this was slapping his ass.
This shit look crazy, bro.
They're like,
Damn, look at Zach's ass, and they're like, damn, Zach, you're packing, and then fucking slapping my ass. I'm
trying to jump the McLaren at a
front, but it's all out back, bro.
He's lying. I'm wearing a size 12.
Zach's about to lift his eyebrow.
Yeah, it's triple.
Damn, bro.
That's not badass.
We should do that. We should do that with Zach, but with like PPF water. Right back in the game. Right back. You take a sip of Sprite, you get right back in the game, bro. So Zach, drink some Sprite, bro. So slides on.
Yeah,
Okay, that slides on.
Yeah, and then the other one you screw it in.
It slides like Zach.
Yeah, that slides.
Well, I'm fitting it to solid, so nothing's gonna hit or anything. Yeah. We took video as well. Yeah, sunny over there. The rainbow. What the fuck? It's like the water broke. I don't see one. Double rainbow.
Are you tripping?
Where's the double one? Yo, I heard
On top?
the conspiracy of the double rainbow.
Oh my god.
Like
this
2 nights
guy.
ago.
You're
Hey,
a conspiracy
right there, dog. Look, right there and right there. There's 2.
What? It's not real?
Oh, I do see the other
There's
one.
one there and there's one there.
What double rainbow conspiracy?
Oh, okay, I see that.
Maybe it's just the camera.
There's like, now they're popping up in 2s.
Oh, shit.
I don't know. I saw it on TikTok, bro.
Audi R8, we're steadily making progress on this vehicle. Andres has been killing it. As you can see, most of the car, at least front end wise, is already put together. Brakes are off, they're getting powder coated. Another service we offer, if you guys are looking to powder coat your brakes, change the color of your brake calipers, we are the #1 shop in OC to do so. We fully remove the brakes when you guys opt in for the powder coating. They get rebled once installed. Any color, any decal, we get it done here. Andres has been grinding it out, absolutely killing it on this build. All OEM plus pieces. So these are not aftermarket pieces from any company. These are OEM Audi Sport carbon fiber pieces, kind of like a track build. That's why you see like these little red like decals here. Like that's how you know. That's how I guess you would know. This is a crazy wing. I've never seen any wing like this on any R8 I've seen in the wild. But this is like a swan neck style wing, carbon fiber of course. A nice Audi decal here along with the Audi Sport right on the upper to visually see it when you're getting chased by a helicopter.
Oh. So it's gonna go from under. So the only thing is that you need that bit, just because. Or actually, try it without the bit first. Yeah, like it's hard to like use your fingers. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Para enroscarlo. So that's why you kinda gotta like fucking finger it or use the tool. Yeah. Thank you, Ivan. I appreciate it.
The new suspension's in, but the calipers are off, which is why you see it kind of empty here. But we do it all, guys. Like from the PPF to this to a full build like this, we are absolutely the shop to go to. I've been talking for like 5 minutes straight probably. But yeah, watch these guys get to work, and by the end of this video, you're gonna see something crazy. Boom.
Dude, honestly, looks way better than I thought it was gonna come out.
That's basically a full week here at Premium, wrapped up all in one video for you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you guys want to see more content, just make sure to subscribe, drop a comment, share this to a friend. If you guys live in the OC area or even around California in general, make sure to visit our shop. We do it all, guys. You guys saw this video from wraps, PPF, the whole build on an R8. You guys kind of got a glimpse of that. We do it all, guys. So make sure to subscribe, follow us on Instagram, and see you guys on the next video. Boom.